Hey there, my Zaniacs. Well, of course, it's obvious today I have not been able to get my hands on a video game video for you guys. But, you know, I figured since I've been working here in my kitchen doing a lot of cleaning and all this other stuff, I figured what a better time to make some peanut butter cookies. Now, I have gone looking on YouTube for a recipe to use. This one is not mine. Kudos go out to One Pot Chef. You guys go check out his channel. He's got some seriously good cooking over there. Okay, first things first, he says, you know, we want the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which for us here in America, that means 356 Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to stick myself just above 350, just a hair, and I'm going to let that preheat. He also said parchment paper to keep the cookies from sticking. I had to reach. I don't have parchment paper. I have wax paper, but that stuff kind of smokes up in the oven. So I'm just going to be greasing my pan here. So I'm going to grease that and I'll be right back with you guys for ingredients. This is only 3 ingredients, guys. You're going to have to watch this. I'll be back. Alright, now starting off here with 1 cup of peanut butter in the bowl already because I need more than 2 hands in order to hold a camera and do that. All we're going to add is 1 egg and 1 cup of sugar. That's it. Ding! Ding, recipe's done. I'm going to use my trusty dusty little hand mixer and I'm going to mix this up into a batter, and I will be back with that in just a moment because that also takes more than 2 hands for me, and that's all I got. Sorry. I'll be right back, folks. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to film this part, but okay, here's our nice batter, my nicely waxed pan. What he said to do is get a teaspoon. I'm trying to see through my camera. I'm just going to grab a little bit. I'm going to roll it up in my hand. It's not going to be the perfect one, but it's definitely going to show you guys. I mean, you roll them between both your hands and make a ball. That's as close as I'm going to get, I think. Okay, onto the pan. Now, of course, I need a fork, and I don't have one. Come here, fork. Okay, now, press it down. Okay. Make yourself little cookies, and we're going to line the whole entire pan with this. I mean, my oven's already preheated, but I need to make these. So hold tight, folks, and we'll get these in the oven in just a moment. Okay, folks, here we have them ready to go in the oven. Of course, I went back through and made some of them bigger, including that first one. Make them a little bit more uniform. I do have a bit more batter that I can make more with. But this batch should get you guys on the right track with this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead. I've got my trusty glove on. Hello. Okay, we're going to open the oven. And shove these in. Okay, we're going to set our timer for about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes at a little over 350. I know opening my oven untemps it a little bit, but oh well. I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Alright, folks, here we have it. Alright, back to the oven. My my poor cat. My timer on my microwave just completely spooked her back in the bedroom. Okay, let's check these out nice and close up. They look super yummy. And they have spread out a little bit. Quite a bit, actually. But for now, I am going to take his advice, and I'm going to let them sit here for 5 minutes before attempting to move them. They need a chance to harden up just a little bit, and I will be back with my tin o' cookies. See you then. And here they are, folks. Nice scrumptious batch of peanut butter cookies. Now, on my end here, the bottom did get charred just a little bit, but they are nice and soft in the middle, as he said, and then nice and crispy on the outside. Okay, so I think next time either a little bit less heat or a little bit less time. Maybe try 9 minutes. Another thing, these are really good. I wonder what would happen if I added just a smidge of unsweetened chocolate in there. Any chocolate peanut butter cookies? Alright, if you folks decide to try the chocolate peanut butter, let me know. Don't go anywhere above. I mean, I would say that you'd have to be willing to taste the batter. Don't just throw in a whole bunch of unsweetened chocolate and say, hey, this is disgusting. But anyway, for now, folks, I'm going to go ahead and close out with that. And, you know, if you guys are in a pinch and you need something sweet around your house, these are fan-freaking-tastic, even with the little burn at the bottom. So, you all have a great day and enjoy your cookies. Thank you, One Pot Chef, for bringing us such a wonderful recipe. Bye, everyone.